Hey there, everybody. We are trying to keep things light here in the Miller home during this quarantine period. So today we are going to be making a big old pot of chili. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to taste real nice. I'm real excited about it. I hope you guys are. Hey, if you're going to make this pot of chili at home too, make sure you comment down below. Let me know how it tasted. Let me know who you're feeding. Let me know how you're doing here in this quarantine, all right? Y'all have a good one. Watch this. This is going to be real good. Real good. For starters, we got 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 pounds of hot Italian sausage. We got a large yellow onion, a bunch of garlic over here, some strained tomatoes, rotel, all the good stuff, and then all our spices. It's gonna be amazing. First things first, I'm gonna throw in the meat, because everybody knows Joe exactly likes meat. So, put that in there. I got 4 pounds here, because I'm feeding 9 people. So you gotta make sure you put plenty of it in there. While the old meats are cooking, now I'm gonna be chopping up some onions and mincing a little bit of garlic. As you can see, I have chopped this onion into some pretty big chunks here because I want it to be nice and hearty. Now we move on to the garlic because you can never have too much garlic. I'm gonna use my handy dandy pampered chef mincer and we're gonna get it just right. Just gonna give that a nice little squeeze right there, just like that. Oh yeah. Hey there, buddy. You trying to grow a mustache like me?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You growing a mustache too? You guys are crazy. You Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious. Y'all go play. I'm gonna have some chili for us here in a second.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so you wanna make sure that meat is nice and browned all the way through. Really well cooked before you add them garlic and onions. Now we're just gonna work on all these here onions and garlic. They're into that meat. What do you think about that? Now I like my chili like I like my cats, zesty. So I like to use crushed, fire roasted tomatoes here and rotel. It's got a little kick to it. You know what I mean? So as you can see, this makes quite a lot of chili. Lots and lots of it. That's great for a big old family like our family. 9 people gonna be eating this for a couple days. Now it's time to add the spice. Sprinkle that up in there. Mix all that up there. And salt and pepper to taste. Let that sit there on low for about an hour.
It smells like heaven.
You say it smells like heaven?
Yeah.
Hey, why are you wearing my gas mask, son? I'm supposed to use that to go to the grocery store later. So while that simmers and while that cooks in all them yummy flavors, we're gonna cut open a watermelon. Watch this. Oh my gosh. We got some genuine killers over here.
Like, Susie, he's really yummy, so I cannot stop myself.
So yummy. I agree. Watermelon is the fruit of the sea.
Whoa.
Except not really the sea. That's a good looking watermelon. If I ever did pick one out myself, I'd tell you that much for sure.
You be a spout.
What y'all trying to say to me? I must. Oh no.
Oh yeah, who are you right now?
Dad?
Oh, you.
The jig is up.
Yeah?
All right, guys. I'm pretty sure my kiddos figured out who I really was, which it's sort of like Clark Kent wearing glasses or Hannah Montana wearing a wig. You know, not a big surprise. But the chili is ready to roll, and I'm gonna bowl it up. We're gonna eat. Check it out. This is a gigantic pot of chili. Just enough for our family of 9 to have a few meals. Some comfort food here in our quarantine. All right, guys, first bite here. Let's see if it holds up to the usual standard of chili excellence that I've come to love. What's up, dude? Oh, that's pretty good. What do you think of the chili, dude?
So good.
So good, yeah? I agree.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back